So this is windnl, a new platform where you can earn money by watching videos on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, whichever one you prefer. So when you log into the platform, you come down here. When you register and log into the platform, then you have these three options to choose from: Facebook videos, YouTube videos, and TikTok videos, whichever one is convenient for you. But we recommend going with YouTube videos. Then if you come to the VIP section here, the VIP section contains the details of the subscription list and subscription membership. We have VIP 1, we have VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP Diamond, and VIP King. Each of these membership subscriptions have their earnings per video, and they have the maximum number of videos you can work on in a day. For the VIP King, you can work on 250 videos in a day, and you earn £4 per video that you watch in a day. Then for the VIP 1, which is £100, you make £0.8 per video, and you can only watch up to 3 videos in a day. So from here we go to this end section. I'm currently on VIP 0, in case you are wondering. Then I prefer YouTube. Then I click on YouTube, and when you come here, you see a list of videos that you can work on the day. Then you pick 3 from there. You click on this receive option. After clicking on receive, it's going to take you to where you can actually work on a clip. But because I've clicked on the receive option before, then I will go back to the home page. Then from there, I will come to the task section. From there, I click on the task of the day. Then this is the link for the task of the day. You can copy it manually. You can click on this copy icon, and you come to the task of the day. You paste the link on another tab while the link is still working on, and this is where you are going to upload your screenshot as a proof of actually working on the link and actually doing what is required of you. And what is mostly required of you is to subscribe to the channel and to like the content on the URL, which is what we are going to do now. This is a YouTube short, and we can click on play, we click on like, and we click on subscribe. Then we take a screenshot, and we are done. So you come back to Wind, we click on this photo icon, and we upload the screenshot. We click on submit. Okay, successful. Now that that is successful, then we come to pending section, and you see the task you just did there. And if you come to the approved section, you see the task that has been approved. So for the VIP 0, I'm earning £0.5 per video, and I can only do 3 videos in a day. So automatically that sums up to £1.5 in a day. And you can only withdraw when you have at least £20 on the account, and you can withdraw through USDT on any major Binance, on any major cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, like the rest and the likes. That is all for now. See you next time.